Sister Jan Gregorcich, founder and director of Global Partners Running Waters.
Hello. As a school sister of Notre Dame, I've had a marvelous opportunity to live and work in the rural villages of Guatemala during part of their 36-year civil war, and then in Honduras after Hurricane Mitch. My life was transformed through those two experiences. On returning to the States, my dream was to find a way to share the experience and to raise awareness to the lack of drinking water in many countries. That dream took on a life of its own. Volunteers helped form Global Partners Running Waters Incorporated as a nonprofit, tax-exempt charitable organization with its primary objective to provide clean drinking water. Because of people like you joining Global Partners, thousands of grateful rural Latin Americans now have clean water to drink. We have also addressed the need for more healthful food through our animal projects and raising family income through microcredit programs. How do we do it? Through relationship building. We build partnerships through individuals and groups in North America and rural communities in Latin America. It is through the building of relationships that cultural, spiritual, and financial resources can be shared, health and living conditions can be improved, international dialogue can be enhanced, and the best of humanity can be experienced.
Many people are involved in bringing clean running water to rural villages. When a village decides that it wants clean water, it forms a water committee. This committee prepares a proposal and submits it to an agency, such as Caritas Guatemala, that will oversee the engineering project. The agency collaborates with the people to figure out the cost of the water project and how much of the cost will be covered by the manual labor and donations of village families. The rest of the cost is then submitted to Global Partners Running Waters for help from friends in the U.S. and Canada. Diane Henke recently helped to celebrate the completion of a water project in Guatemala.
There is great joy in seeing the expressions of gratitude on the faces of women who no longer have to walk for hours to the nearest stream for water. They just turn on a spigot and clean drinking water pours forth. To make accessible clean drinking water a reality, this partnership puts smiles of gratitude on all of our faces.
Global Partners also supports the purchase of chickens and goats for individual families. We also support projects that empower women, such as a solar oven project. All of the contributions you make go directly to finance our projects. Almost 100% of each dollar donated is a dollar for clean water, food, and better health. In the year 2000, the Millennium Summit was held at the United Nations. At that time, 189 world leaders agreed on the Millennium Development Goals. 8 goals they would meet by 2015 in a collaborative effort to improve life for the people of the world who are poor. Goal 1 is focused on poverty and hunger. With our collaboration on food projects, we are working toward the target of reducing the number of people in the world suffering from hunger by 50%. Achieving universal primary education is Goal 2. By improving overall health through food and safe water, we are also assisting in meeting this goal. Children who are malnourished and sick are unable to attend school. Promoting gender equality and empowering women, Goal 3, easily happens with our projects as women become less tied to household chores of hauling water and gathering food. Goals 4, 5, and 6 challenge us to reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, and stop the spread of disease. The 7th Millennium Goal is ensuring environmental sustainability. A target was set to reduce by 50% the number of people without sustainable access to safe drinking water. With 45 completed water projects in Latin America, Global Partners is committed to achieving this goal. Creating a global partnership for development is what we are all about, and it is the 8th and final Millennium Development Goal.
Global Partners welcomes you to experience, to visit these projects in Central America. Once again, you have a wonderful opportunity to open your generous hearts, to help Global Partners make a difference, to continually make clean water accessible to those who have none.
Please consider joining our network of global partners who build life-changing relationships across borders and channel basic human needs. It's amazing the differences you can make in people's lives.
Valuable support
el comité
the committee
de la introducción de agua potable.
no la vayan a desperdiciar, ¿eh?